In this video, I want to talk about how you guys can make $23.54 or over $23 per hour working from home doing a easy job, but you guys have to hurry because this one is not going to last very long. Now, this is a customer service related job, but the good thing about this one is that you don't need to be on the phones, meaning you won't need to speak to anyone. You'll be using chat and email only. So for all the people that want to get a work from home job that is customer care related, but you don't necessarily want to be talking on the phone, then this is a really great opportunity. Now, also with that, I have some other methods of making money online that I want to mention in this video as well. And some of these are things that you can do with your cell phone, right? So you don't have to talk to people, but you can actually make money by using your phone. So if you don't have a computer or if you don't have access to a laptop or MacBook or whatever it is, you can use your Android device or your iPhone and you can still make some money. So first of all, I'm gonna go through the methods of making money with your phone, and then we'll get to the actual job. And I have about 2 jobs to talk about at the end, so stick around for that. Now, the first thing I want to talk about is Playtest Cloud. Now, this is a website where they have a bunch of games, and basically what you're doing here, you'll be testing these mobile games before they actually launch them. So as it says here, Playtest is your one-stop solution for playtesting mobile games during prototyping, development, soft launch, and even after release. So you can come here and you can play hundreds of games. So if you already like playing games, this is a cool way to monetize your time because you can play these games on your phone and you can get paid. So the way to pull this off, and I'll leave the links down below, but you want to go to the website playtestcloud.com, link down below. You want to click on become a tester. It'll take you to this page, and here you can sign up. So what you'll be doing is you'll sign up below right here with your email, your full name, games that you play, the type of device that you have, the country that you're in. This is worldwide, by the way, so no matter where you are, you can make some money here. So you sign up, and if you're eligible, they'll send you a qualification test. Now, the test is unpaid, meaning that you won't get paid for actually doing that test. But if you pass the test, then you can get paid for playing games or testing games. Now, if you fail the test, then don't worry too much because you can also retake the test. So if you try and you fail, then you can try again. So after that, you'll be invited to test some of these games and you can get paid. So let's look at some of the most common questions here. How do you become a playtester? Well, you just sign up above here and you do the qualification test, and then you'll be able to playtest if you pass. Now, what devices can I playtest on? You can playtest on Android phones and also iOS, which is iPhones. So even iPads here as well. So either way, you can do this on your phone. Also, how much money will I earn, which is probably what you guys want to know. So here it says the reward payment for each playtest can vary depending on the task during the playtest and also the length of that test itself. But I'll always let you know how much the reward payment will be in the invitation that they send to you in email, so you have an idea of how much money, or you know exactly how much money you're going to be making before you actually play test. Now, generally, they say here, a 15-minute playtest and survey will have a reward of around $9 US. So this is kind of to give you an idea. Around 15 minutes of your time will give you around $9 US. That's fairly good because that would mean that you're making around $36 per hour if you're a play tester here, which is way above what the median salary is in the US right now. So really great way to make some money if you have a smartphone and you also like playing games. Definitely check them out. Now, I went over to Glassdoor just to see if there were any reported salaries for this company, Playtest Cloud, and there were a few salaries. But for the game tester, there was only one salary submitted, but here it says the range is $60,000 to $97,000 per year. Now, this may be a bit off because I'm not sure if game tester is an in-house tester that they have, or if it's actually people signing up using their smartphones and just randomly testing some of these games. So this may be someone hired in-house that's making so much money here, but either way, you can make around $9 for 15 minutes of your time. So I think it's still a really great opportunity. Now, the next method I want to talk about is something similar, and this is freecash.com. Now on Free Cash, basically you can use your phone as well. Here you can use Android, iOS, and you can even use your laptop or computer. So any device you have, you can use it here, and you can also use this in different countries. Now, the main idea here is that they'll have featured offers or just a bunch of different tasks on here that you can do. And for each task that you complete, there is gonna be some reward. So for example, here it says if you install and open TikTok, it'll pay you $1.50. That may also require a sign up. So if you already have a TikTok account, that may not work. Maybe you'll have to sign up with a new one. Also, for example, if you sign up for Stash here, you could get $48. If you play some of these games, you could make this amount of money. So there are a bunch of different things that you can do here, or different tasks that you can complete, and that way you can make some money. So to sign up, you can just simply go to sign up here. You can sign up. Also, if you sign up here, you can get a referral link, and then you can share that referral link with other people. And then once they sign up using your referral link, then you can make some money as well. Now, as for rewards here, this is their tiered program, but I wanted to show you guys how you can actually get paid. I think that's at cash out. So when you have enough here, you can withdraw, and it says you can withdraw. They start at 50 cents. And you can withdraw with PayPal, Bitcoin, these other cryptocurrencies. You can also get bank transfer. If you don't want to do any of these, then you can withdraw for gift cards instead. So you have a bunch of different options to get your money here when you're ready to cash out. So that was also really great, because I know some people are in countries where they may not necessarily have access to PayPal. Some people may not want to use Bitcoin or cryptocurrency. Some people may not want to use bank transfer. So wherever you are, whatever you have access to, you should be able to either use crypto, PayPal, bank transfer, gift cards to get your money here. So this was also another one. Now, I wasn't able to find any info on Glassdoor, or at least any reviews on Glassdoor for Free Cash, but I went over to Trustpilot, and here they have a 4.7 out of 5-star review, or overall review. So that is really good. And we have a bunch of good 5-star reviews here. So I think people actually enjoyed it. And as you can see, these are recent reviews as well. So this does actually pay, and people are actually making money here. However, as this person says, really nice, honestly, look, if you're coming here expecting to make thousands without a referral plan, you'll be a little disappointed. However, if you spend a little time each day, you are sure to make a little on the side. So not something that will get you rich, not something that will make you thousands of dollars every single day. But if all you have is a cell phone, then you can use this with the other one that I just mentioned, these two apps or these two websites, and you can make some money. Now, let's get into the actual job that I want to talk about, which pays over $23, and you don't have to be on the phone. Now, just before we get into that, just a quick reminder, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Ian. On this channel, I talk about ways to make money, ways to save money, ways to invest your money, bank accounts, credit cards, how to get jobs, everything personal finance related. So if you like these videos, you like this type of content, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. It's 100% free. Giving the video a thumbs up will never cost you anything. Also, be sure to subscribe with the notifications on. That way you won't ever miss the updates of when I post similar new videos just like this one. Now, let's move on to this company. Now, this is gonna be this job right here. It's a customer support agent, and the time is 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. Now, there were two of these jobs, so depending on where you are, they were in two different time zones, so you can come here and apply for the other one, but they're basically the same thing. And there was also a manager position, so if you do have some experience or you have a degree, then you can apply for that one. But here it says customer support agent. Now, here it says you'll be responsible for providing Sticker Mule customers with world-class customer support. We deliver fast, reliable, and efficient service. We only offer support via email and social media. So you must have outstanding writing skills. So you won't be on the phone here. You'll be responding to customers via email, and you have to, be good at doing this. So not really a traditional customer support role. If you don't want to be on the phone, this is a good fit. Now, they do require 1 year of experience in a customer support role. But a good thing is that if you've already worked a job like this before, even if you don't have that full year worth of experience, then you should still go ahead and apply for this job. Now, this is what you guys want, right? So pay and benefits, $23.50 per hour. You get a 401k plan with a 4% employer match. You get health and dental, 4 weeks of paid vacation, which is a really big deal. Most companies are only giving 2 weeks, and you get a $500 sign-on bonus, and of course you get to work from home. Now, I'll leave the link down below, but again, this is for this company. It's Sticker Mule, and this is what they do. They make custom stickers, custom labels, custom packaging, and custom t-shirts. Now, I did go over to Glassdoor, and on Glassdoor we can find a customer service or customer support agent here. They make anywhere from 33,000 up to 50K. These were based on 6 different salaries submitted. I mean, these roles could be interchangeable, but on average, 38,000, 42,000, that's around the amount of money that you'll be making here, which works out to be just about that $23 per hour or just a little bit higher. So that is what you'll be making here. Now, I have one more job for you guys, and this is at this company right here. So this is Site 123, and from time to time, they do have different jobs here, but the job today was a sales chat specialist. So it says provide a positive customer service experience for customers, provides prices and increase sales through chat and also email, build customer relationships as a part of the sales process. Now, these are what they want you to have. These are not necessarily requirements, but if you have these, it will give you kind of like an advantage over other people that are applying. So if you know additional languages, that's a bonus. If you have knowledge of HTML and CSS, that is a bonus. If you have experience with other website builder platforms, that is also a bonus. Now, they also have a list of must-haves here, but for example, it says proven experience of sales, customer service in general, and via live chat. If you have any customer service experience whatsoever, you can use that here. If you have any sales experience, I mean, if it's selling on Etsy or eBay, you can use that as well. Excellent communication, analytical listening, and organizational skills. That's something that you could have already developed without working at a traditional job. So most of the requirements here are things that you probably have, or you can work your way around these in an interview. So definitely check this out. And I went over to Glassdoor, wasn't able to find much info. I mean, the company was listed there, but not much salaries reported or much info. But here on salary.com, they say a customer service representative makes about $38,000 here per year. That's the average salary. For this position, it was sales chat specialist, so I wasn't able to find that, but I think this should give you kind of like an idea of how much money you can expect to make here. So it's gonna be probably close to around $20 per hour. Now, if you guys have experience with Site 123, or you have experience with Sticker Mule, or even the 2 apps that I spoke about before, like Playtest Cloud or even Free Cash, comment down below. Let me know what the experience was like. Let me know the most you were able to make there. And that way I can go out here and I can find similar jobs that pay much more, and then I can post these videos for everyone to see. So with that said, this is what I wanted to share with you guys today. These 2 apps, Playtest Cloud and Free Cash, where you can use your phone to make some money, and also Sticker Mule, that position here that you don't have to be on the phone, and also the sales chat specialist here, which also doesn't require you to be on the phone, but are customer service related jobs, and you can make over $20 per hour. So with all that said, thanks for watching. All the best in your remote work from home job search, and I'll talk to you guys very soon in the next one.